Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to block all cookies in Samsung Internet. So if you use the Samsung Internet and you want to block all cookies on it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to block all cookies in Samsung Internet, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung Internet, locate and click on the menu icon at the bottom right, select settings, scroll down, locate and click on Sites and Downloads. Now under Sites and Downloads, locate and click on Sites Permission. Under Sites Permission, click on Cookies. Then here, to block all cookies, all you need to do is check Block All Cookies. Then choose what that says some website might not work correctly without cookies. Then go ahead and click on Block Cookies, and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to block all cookies on Samsung Internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.